Yes, is this Ronald Davis's office?
It is.
Alicia, this is Dwayne Davis again.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, how you doing? I ran
Not
across...
bad.
Pardon me?
I said not bad.
Oh, alright. I ran across my mail receipts so I can try to expedite the situation that I'm in. And Eric Holder received one of my mail. There's a lot of mail going back to 2008, but the most recent mail that he's received is November 12th, 2014. And it's a whistleblower's application, and it has the case number on it. Do you need that mail confirmation number?
Sure, you can give it to me.
The number is 7012 2920 0002 5172 6189. And that's a
7012292000025172 689.
Yes, ma'am. And the other one dated October the 8th, 2014 is 7012 2920 0002 5206 5454. And the one sent directly to President Obama, which is one of since 2008 that I've been sending directly to President Obama. The last one I sent him to the White House is 7014 0510 0001 9018 5130. To bring us up to speed on everything, I sent you a letter today, and I put it directly to Eric Holder in care of Ronald Davis, Department of Justice, 950 Pennsylvania Avenue, and it's certified mail. And the mail number for that letter is 7013 1710 0000 5723 5370. Now the material that I sent Mr. Holder, he has a DVD, he has storyboards, the president has storyboards, and this is like breaking down the corruption that's going on, and it names the names, it shows the paperwork. And I also, in the packet that I sent you today, has the email from Alan Locks, which he said that he destroyed my material, which was supposed to have been, he openly said that he destroyed the material that I gave him. The material that I gave him was a DVD, Maryland's prison industry, Governor O'Malley and Lieutenant Governor Brown's money machine. And it broke down the prison industry. It showed my due diligence. It showed that I was doing this documentary. And it showed the state's attorney's role that they played in denying me access to the grand jury and knowingly lying to the grand jury to get an indictment. It also shows in that paperwork that I gave you where the court ordered the state to return my truck, my computer, and all my property in 2011, and the state of Maryland refused to return any of it, mainly the Baltimore County Police Department Chief Johnson. In the material that I sent you, I have green stickers on it labeling some of the information so you can follow along with it a little bit better. It makes it a little bit simpler. And if you go online, it has a online YouTube page called Shorty's Voice. And the first 5, Shorty's Voice, all one word, on YouTube. Those first 5 video shows where I contacted the Department of Justice and the FBI. Your Baltimore office of the FBI has evidence as well and refused to return it to me. So it's all documented on videotape. Alright? And it goes to the property, it goes to the whole issue of the racism that's going on in the courts and the Jim Crow justice. It just is what it is. So I'm giving you all this information so we can get on the same page. Ronald Davis is investigating the Baltimore City Police Department under Bats, and this has a lot to do with what Bats, Belfield were doing and have done. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Because I was a whistleblower. I'm a caterer. I've been in the offices of these elected officials. Patarakis, the money that they spend on the inner harbor versus the money that they spend in the community, and how they're fueling up the prison industry. I named the public defenders that are selling out their clients, and I have in that material that you got, my lawyer Thomas Saunders was fired because he refused to defend me with the due diligence of the law. He wanted me to plead guilty to a crime I didn't commit. Alright? And all this is documented from Illinois and in Maryland. Alright? So you can see all of this online, and if you Google my name, I got 3 YouTube pages that have all this documented. Alright?
Okay.
I'm just trying to get my life.
D-U-A? Is that D-U-A or D-W-A?
D-U-A-N-E.
Okay, D-U-A.
D-U-A-N-E Davis. And it has all of this documented. Now, the stuff that I sent President Obama is DVDs since 2008, which shows like a regular video documentary about what I've been doing, who I contacted, the laws that were denied, the laws that were broken. And it named the judges like Judge Pearson, Judge Holland, Judge Bell, Judge Rossetti. It named the state's attorney's offices in Illinois and Maryland, Waller in Illinois. It named Bernstein in Baltimore and Schellenberger in Baltimore County. And they have a system of government that are just denying us our rights. Now, they destroyed all this material, but I got most of the material that I could back. And if you look at a movie that we got coming out called Letters to Zion, Rob Fix has a lot of this material. So I'm just giving you a heads up because I want this, I need this done. I need my life back, I need my money and my property back, and I need the Department of Justice to defend me and my rights, which they're supposed to do.
I'm sorry, just checking this out.
I show where the lawyers coerce confessions from inmates. And there's a case in Illinois named Benny Starks. Me and Benny were locked up together, and Benny just got out of jail after 20 years.
Wow.
And Jose Rivera was another one that was charged, and he had to do 20 years, and he just got out. You see what I'm saying? I can show the pattern and name the public defenders and prosecutors that are doing this, knowingly doing this. I won my case. I'm innocent of all those charges, and they still won't return my property. I'm out $1.2 million behind this, and I don't want to end up in the gutter.
Right.
Alright?
Waiting on justice.
Waiting on justice. I don't want to wait 20 years for a case that could have been adjudicated 2 years ago. I'm already 8 years into a problem that could have been solved.
And how soon do you think this letter will be here? Do you know when? How many days?
It's certified, so it should be there within this week. It should be there by the end of the week.
Okay.
Alright? And I'll be calling you back. I don't mean to be a bother, but I got to do what I got to do till I get my life back.
That's okay.
And you're my lifeline.
I'll be that.
Alright, thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Alright. Now, I called the Department of Justice. I've been doing this since 2006. This is all about Gov.O'Malley and the prison industry in the state of Maryland and the state of Illinois. It governs the Democratic Party, in which the Democrats are sending out black lives. Black lives matter. I showed you where you knowingly filed false charges against me and submitted false information to the grand jury. The FBI is involved, the Department of Justice is involved, and I'm going to hold you accountable. I'm going to videotape everything I do, every day. See ya.